Damn, work drains me out. Trapped in the 9 to 5, just staying alive. I summoned my body on the phone, but I'm not at home.
Beautiful, Nadine.
Can you help me out?
How
I'm living
big are those
life,
fillets? Can you show me the fish one time? How nicely you fillet that one. That's how you fillet a mahi-mahi, people. Beautiful.
No meat left on that.
No meat left on that one. Chuck it in for the sharks. And that's our sunset, people. That's the start of a beautiful evening with a nice meal, because what we're gonna do with it, what do you feel like? Smoking it, curry?
I think we should smoke it.
Smoke it? We're gonna get some smoking going on, guys.
Oceans deep, calling your name. Dive from the side that meet this beautiful strange. Where dolphins and whales study your face. And when you raise the sails, they're rapidly chasing your ways to another horizon. Hell yeah, these are the days. We don't wanna race the time. We don't really wanna cage your mind. All we really wanna do is sail on, sail on. It's a long might be too late, so we surely gonna ride the waves. All we really wanna do is sail on. Where sunsets paint a sign that's different every time. Where solitude is uphill, where wind was born from right. When you're with some friends, everybody comprehends. You're the only one, so we simply celebrate this world. We don't wanna race the time. We don't really wanna cage our minds. All we really wanna do is sail on, sail on. It's a long might be too late, so we surely gonna ride the waves. All we really wanna do is sail on. We don't wanna race the time. We don't really wanna cage our minds. All we really wanna do is sail on, sail on. It's a long might be too late, so we surely gonna ride the waves. All we really wanna do is sail on, sail on.
Now that's a cooking view, guys. Parmesan cheese with spaghetti. Bon appetit.
Oh, we got fish.
We got a nice little mahi-mahi, but
he's kind of
he's
small.
feisty, but he's too small. We're gonna get him back. Bye-bye, guys.
Be free. Oh, he's so happy
Oh,
about it.
he's so lucky.
We're good guys.
We're good, guys. Too small, too small.
He was still a teenager. He can have a little bit.
So, nice sunset. Just made some nice popcorn. Hey, good morning. Halfway. Wonderful sunny morning. And what am I doing? Look at this. This is the water tank. And I've connected the pump of the sun shower to the water tank. So now the water tank is under pressure and I can actually have a nice warm shower here. But look, I'm filling up the water empty water bottles because we were supposed to do about 3 weeks off the trip, even thought about 17 days. So we brought water for 30 days, but we have such bad winds that we might actually take 30 days and we don't want to get without water. So now I'm emptying the shower tank. So we have enough water bottles that in case we're not having enough water, if the fresh water, we have to drink the shower water. But hey, that's just normal water from the marine, so we should be okay. And yeah, let's hope the wind continues. We got some wind today again, so we're doing about 6 knots, but the last week we did like 3 knots on average. That's not enough. So praying for wind, praying for enough water, but we'll get there, guys. Later. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Nadine putting up a really big fight. We had to slow the boat down. There is something really huge at the end of this line.
We got a monster! For sure!
Look, the sails are completely open. We're doing about 3 knots. We can't slow any more down. And there is something really big on this line, guys. This is probably gonna take an hour to wheel it in. Nadine, how do you feel?
I'm already tired.
Already tired, okay. Well, look,
But I'm gonna do it.
I think in like 20 minutes she wanna have a swap for a bit. So I'm gonna fast forward this, guys, until something comes in. And see you in a bit, guys. Oh, look at that.
It's jumping out the water.
It's jumping out the water. Let's see if we can get a view. There. Oh, that's a fight. That's big, guys. That's a monster. That's a monster. And it looks, I think, that's not a mahi-mahi.
It's a tuna.
I think that's a big tuna, guys. I'm gonna call tuna as well.
I don't know how big that.
It's a monster. That's a good size.
Yeah!
Somebody's getting stoked here.
Yeah!
Yeah, we're almost there.
Is it a big mahi-mahi or is it
Is it a big mahi-mahi? I'm gonna have a look, guys. Is it? Yeah, that's a huge one, guys. That's gonna be feast for a week. Gonna get the gift. How do you feel?
See these
Look at
guns?
those muscles.
See these guns? Whoa, look at this fish.
That's a big one, guys. That's a big one. Yeah, look at that. Oh, sorry, guy, but you're gonna be in the frying pan.
Wow.
Beautiful catch.
Thank you very much.
Catch of today, Nadine wheeled it in. That's definitely a 4 or 5 kilo mahi-mahi. And look at these beautiful fishes. Like they sail through the water, they're so fast. It's just an incredible, beautiful fish. There's at least 3 kilos of meat on this huge thing. So we're gonna cook it, we're gonna smoke it, we're gonna grill it. We're gonna have mahi-mahi all week, Nadine. Loving it.
Now, Andries, I've already told you that I'm not interested. I think of you as a brother, okay? But why do you feel the extreme need to go and fillet this huge mahi-mahi in your birthday suit? Are you trying to get a Netflix series, The Naked Fisherman?
I'm not joking, but what couldn't be more sexual attractive than a naked man killing this beautiful fish?
Well, I'm not saying...
This has to do something with you, doesn't it?
Well, maybe for someone.
Be honest, this does have something.
To be honest with you, I think a lot of my male gay friends will like this a lot more than I like it.
Yeah? Wait.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited. Wait 1 second. Like, tell me honestly, how do you like me now?
Oh, now I like you even more, buddy.
Like, how is
That's
different?
beautiful. That's a hunk of meat. So are you, baby. Mahi mahi.
Okay, the rest is for the dolphins.
I guess this goes to show the trickery of TV. Don't believe everything you see, people. So good.
2 Genoas out, full moon, big mainsail. Normally we don't do that, but because it's full moon, I can see the squalls coming. We need to make up for some speed, so well, there's a little jibe from one of the Genoas, but Alice will correct that. So yeah, making up for some lost miles from the last days. Beautiful here. So how's your New Year's Eve, guys? Cheers! It's raining outside, and guess what we're doing?
We're losers!
Okay guys, we're watching The Meg with Jason Statham. And yeah, what else to do? Movie about a big shark. We're on a boat in a big blue ocean. I love this shit. So, hey, Happy New Year to everybody. We're gonna be opening the bottles in, well, look, we've got it written down here.
Good to see you again, Mr. Morris.
9 o'clock current time. It's gonna be 12 o'clock in the Netherlands. Then 10 o'clock is gonna be 12 o'clock in London. We think. Then we got the Canary Islands and we still not, and we have to have a drink at our time, so
It's lots of drinks.
it's a lot of drinks. No, we're okay. We'll probably be in bed pretty early after this movie. So guys, have a wonderful New Year's Eve. I hope that all your dreams and your what do you call it, goals may come true in 2021. And let's make it a better one than 2020 without any COVID. And well, we are pretty chill actually, eh?
Very chilled. I'm very relaxed.
We're very relaxed. It's like 8 o'clock at night right now, and check our setup. That's a nice setup. Good speaker, good movie. Nadine didn't want to be anywhere else right now.
Cheers, buddy. I'm getting there, don't worry.
Just rip it open.
There was no tag, I'm telling you. Trust me, I've done this before.
Ah, yeah, she does. Well, this is the strangest New Year's Eve I've had in my life. Oh, that was a good one. Wait, there we go. Fill it up.
There you go, buddy. I'll
Yeah.
get myself a glass. Classy round here. No.
Nadine, I can only say that all your wish, dreams and goals may come true in 2021. And I'm glad to have you on board, and I couldn't have had a better crew, first mate, than you.
Ooh, Happy New Year! That's cool.
What are you smiling at?
This is good, I love it. It's okay, guys. He made it.
They made it.
Son of a bitch. But you're sure as hell no coward. Good job.
Oh, that was a...
Well, Nadine! What was that?
Here you go, buddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Nadine.
Happy New Year, my friend.
Happy New Year.
We don't wanna waste the time. We don't really wanna cage them birds. All we really wanna do is sail on, sail on. And tomorrow might be too late, so we surely gonna ride the waves. All we really wanna do is sail on. Where sunsets paint a sign that's different every time. Where solitude